In this video, I'll show you how to check spelling and grammar as you type in Microsoft Word so you can catch mistakes instantly and make your documents look much more professional. This is a simple but really useful setting, especially if you write reports, essays, business documents, or anything that needs to be polished before you share it. If this tutorial helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy Microsoft Word tips. Alright, let's get started. First, open Microsoft Word on your computer. You can use any document, including a blank one, because we're going to change the proofing settings inside Word itself. Once Word is open, look to the top left corner and click File. This opens the main menu where you can access Word's settings and preferences. From there, scroll down and click Options. This will open the Word Options window, which is where you can control everything from display settings to language and proofreading tools. In the Word Options window, look at the left-hand sidebar and click Proofing. This section is specifically for spelling, grammar, and other correction features. Once you're inside proofing, find the options labeled Check Spelling as you type and Mark Grammar Errors as you type. These are the two key settings that make Word underline spelling mistakes and grammar issues in real time while you type. Make sure both of these boxes are checked. If either one is turned off, Word won't flag those issues automatically, so this step is very important. After you've selected both options, you can also take a quick look at the other proofing settings on the page, but for this tutorial, those two boxes are the main ones you need. Now click OK to save your changes and close the options window. At this you type. To test it, just start typing a few words with an intentional mistake, and you should see a red underline for spelling errors and a blue or green underline for grammar issues, depending on your version of Word. When you right-click on the underlined word, Word will usually suggest a correction, which makes it easy to fix mistakes quickly without stopping your workflow. This feature is especially helpful if you want to write faster and still keep your document clean and accurate. If you ever notice that Word is not showing spelling or grammar suggestions, come back to File, then Options, then Proofing, and double-check that both settings are still enabled. Sometimes updates or custom settings can turn them off, so it's always good to verify. And that's it. You now know how to check spelling and grammar as you type in Microsoft Word. It only takes a moment to turn on, but it can save you a lot of time and help you avoid embarrassing mistakes in your writing. If this video helped, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more Microsoft Word tutorials, productivity tips, and easy step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.